Join me as I take on the challenge of creating the best trace letter worksheets in Canva and Amazon, all in under an hour. Today, we're going to explore an easy and accessible way to create trace letter worksheets using Canva and Amazon. This method is perfect for parents and educators who want to provide engaging and customizable learning resources for their children or students. As we all know, finding the right learning resources for kids can be a real challenge. We've all been there, scrolling through endless online marketplaces, searching for the perfect worksheet that meets our child's learning needs. But often, what we find is either too basic or too advanced, and rarely do we stumble upon something that truly resonates with our child's unique learning style. This can be frustrating, especially when we know that every child learns differently. Some might respond well to colorful visuals, while others might need a more hands-on approach. The problem is, most worksheets available online are designed with a one-size-fits-all approach, ignoring the diverse range of learning needs that exist among children. That's why, as parents and educators, we need to take matters into our own hands and create learning resources that cater specifically to our child's needs. And that's exactly what we're going to do today: create trace letter worksheets that are not only engaging but also tailored to meet the unique learning needs of our children. To get started, let's head over to Canva, an amazing online design platform that's both user-friendly and customizable. Once you've logged in, select the education template and choose a design that resonates with your child's interests. You can choose from a wide range of templates, from colorful cartoons to minimalist designs. Next, let's add the trace letters. You can either upload your own font or use Canva's built-in fonts. I recommend using a sans serif font, as it's easier for kids to read and trace. To make things more engaging, you can add fun graphics and icons that match your child's interests. This will not only make the worksheet more visually appealing but also help your child stay focused and motivated. Here's a little hack that will make your worksheet creation process even easier. Use Canva's grid feature to align your text and graphics perfectly. This is especially useful when you're working with multiple elements on your worksheet. Simply toggle on the grid view, and Canva will take care of the rest. Another great feature in Canva is its collaboration tool. You can invite your child to join you in the design process, allowing them to take ownership of their learning and make the worksheet creation process a fun, collaborative experience. This is an excellent way to encourage kids to take an active role in their learning and develop essential skills like communication, teamwork, and creativity. By using Canva to design our trace letter worksheets, we can create learning resources that are not only engaging but also tailored to meet the unique needs of our children. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to do, even if you have zero design experience. In this video, we've covered the step-by-step process of creating trace letter worksheets using Canva and Amazon. We've also discussed the importance of creating customized learning resources that cater specifically to our child's learning needs. If you've created your own worksheets using this method, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more educational content and tips on how to make learning fun and engaging for kids. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.